Students of class 9, you are welcome in biology class by KK Singh Minerva Public School, Basantpur. We are studying the last topics of the chapter cell. That is, we will study today osmosis. But before going to discuss about osmosis, I first want to tell you about something about diffusion. I have already told you, we have already discussed about the diffusion in chemistry. But here again I am giving you I want to throw a single glance towards the osmosis diffusion. Diffusion is the process of mixing of two substances or molecular substances into the molecular space bit of the substance. The molecular space in gas is maximum and in solid is least. That is why the rate of diffusion in gas is more than the liquid is, and in liquid more than the solid. This example, the molecules of gases are far away. There is a large intermolecular space among the solid gas, and hence the other molecules, whether it is solid or gas, immediately fill this space, and thus the rate of diffusion is faster in gas than in liquid or in solid. Another example you see at home, when there is a leakage in your LPG cylinder, you will immediately detect that there is a leakage of LPG. Actually, LPG is odorless gas. There is no any smell in LPG. But to detect the leakage of LPG, we add some compounds, organic compounds into the LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. These compounds are ethyl mercaptan, C2H2SH, and methyl mercaptan, that is CH3SH. These two substances and two materials are highly diffusible. The rate of diffusion is very fast in these two, and they also have characteristic smell. When there is a leakage of LPG, there is a leakage in the cylinder, the before coming out of LPG, these gases comes into the air and is sprayed by the diffusion, and people away from the in the house immediately detect the leakage of LPG. No matter, we are Hindi medium, and sometimes it is very common that while speaking or while giving lecture, Hindi must come. Don't laugh. LPG. The rate of diffusion in these two materials, two substances, two compounds is very high. Hence, they come first there and spread into the air atmosphere before LPG, and we detect the leakage of LPG. That is why these two compounds are added. Now we will discuss osmosis, but before going to discussing it, I want to erase it to provide a space. But before it, I again ask you to watch all the video, subscribe my channel, like the video, which you will never do, I know. Osmosis. In osmosis, the solvent molecule moves from its higher concentration towards lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Keep in mind, there is no need of semi-permeable membrane during diffusion, but in case of osmosis, a semi-permeable membrane is needed. And also in diffusion, the energy is not used up, but in case of osmosis, energy is used up. Here, movement of solvent molecule, I will explain solvent and solute. Suppose solution. solvent plus solute, syrup, solvent water, solute sugar. Keep in mind this example and you will be able to understand solvent, solute and solution. And if you want to study, it will take long time and to describe them. Movement of solvent means suppose it is sugar solution, means it contains sugar and water. It is 20% sugar solution, means 20% sugar and 80% water. And this in this part, the which is separated by the semi-permeable membrane, this part has 30% sugar solution, means 30% sugar and 70% water. The solvent percentage of solvent in this part is less, 10% less than this part. It means that water or solvent will move towards its lower concentration from higher concentration like this through semi-permeable membrane, and in this way the level of the solution is become higher than this arm. This process is known as osmosis, and it is very important in our cell, in body cell, to transport many things. The special type of cells in body such as RBC, WBC, sperm cell, ova cell, cardiac cells, neuron, etc. have semi-permeable membrane, natural made, God made, that help in osmosis to perform different life activities. Now the chapter is finished, and again I ask you to follow all the videos. Perhaps nearly 11 videos are made in this chapter. You have to study or watch all these videos to complete your syllabus. Don't ignore it. You will get very little time in your class. Follow the YouTube, follow my channel, complete your syllabus. That's all. I again ask you to subscribe the channel to get all the videos. Maybe I have not shared all the videos to our students in the group, so they are requested or asked to watch all the videos which are uploaded on YouTube.